Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at solving fractional inequalities. And if you want to work along with me in this video, you can download a copy of a PDF from my website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Before we begin solving this inequality, if we consider we have negative 2x is greater than 10, and we divide both sides by the negative 2, then we would also change this sign. So we would have x is less than negative 5. So when you multiply or divide both sides of the inequality by a negative, we flip the sign. The problem we have with this one is that we don't know if 2x plus 1 is a positive or a negative. So we can't just multiply both by 2x plus 1, because if it's negative, we would have to flip the sign, and if it's positive, we wouldn't have to flip it. So what we do is we multiply both sides by a positive that will cancel with a 2x plus 1. So we multiply both sides by 2x plus 1 squared. So what we'll get is the 2x squared plus 1 on both sides. Then you can see that this power of 2, well, one of them will cancel with this one. So the power would become a 1 and we would lose that denominator. So now we get 2x plus 1 on the left hand side being greater than all of this on the right hand side. So now we can do exactly the same thing to move the 3x minus 2 over to here. We'll multiply both sides by the 3x minus 2 squared. We know this must be a positive, so we don't have to flip this sign. So now we get 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 2 all squared must be greater than, we know one of these powers of 2 will cancel with this denominator, so it'll be greater than x multiplied by 2x plus 1 all squared multiplied by the 3x minus 2. And now we can solve this inequality by moving all of these terms to the left hand side. We'll just subtract it from both sides. So at this point, we can tidy this up by factoring out with 2x plus 1 and a 3x minus 2. And then we'll have a 3x minus 2 minus the x term and another 2x plus 1. And this will be greater than 0. So now we can expand out this bracket and collect the like terms. So we'll get 3x minus 2 minus the 2x squared minus the x greater than 0. And then the negative 2x squared plus the 2x minus the 2. Now I'm going to factor out the negative from this quadratic, so we get 2x squared minus the 2x plus the 2. We know one of the solutions will be when this bracket equals 0, so x will equal negative 1/2. Another solution will be when this equals 0, so x will equal 2/3. And then we can use the discriminant to see if this has any solutions. So b squared will be 4, and then we'll have 4 lots of a, lots of c. And we can see that 4 is less than 16. So because b squared is less than 4ac, this quadratic will have no real solutions. So I'll sketch this quadratic. We know it's going to look like this because of this negative here. And then we're looking at the region which is greater than 0. So I'll highlight this in green. So our solution then is x must be less than 2/3 but greater than negative 1/2. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and the PDF that accompanies this video from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.